Is your Canon PIXMA printer printing blank pages, even though the ink cartridges aren't empty? Here's how to fix it fast. First, check your ink levels. Low or dried out cartridges are one of the most common causes of blank prints. Next, run a nozzle check and printhead cleaning cycle from the printer maintenance settings. Make sure the correct paper type and print quality settings are selected before printing. Outdated printer drivers can also cause printing problems. Update your Canon printer driver to the latest version. After completing these steps, print a test page. If the issue continues, the printhead may need replacement.